The future of money is digital, and if you don't start now, you might get left behind. In this video, we'll explore the digital assets you need to own before 2030. Cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and Ethereum are just the beginning. They are not just investments, they are the foundation of the digital economy. Early adoption could mean massive gains in the next decade. NFTs and digital collectibles. Beyond art, NFTs are being used for gaming, music, and virtual real estate. Owning unique digital assets could be your ticket to future wealth. Digital real estate in the Metaverse. Virtual land is becoming the new gold. Brands and investors are already paying millions for prime spots online. Tokenized stocks and digital bonds. These make traditional investments more accessible and faster to trade. By 2030, these could replace old-school trading. The digital economy is here, and the time to start is now. Follow the Wealth Forum for more insights on building wealth in the digital era. Don't get left behind.